Hey there, I want to give you a quick glimpse into my Sandstorm horizontal template. You can easily change colors to make it look completely different. For example, this team is blue and yellow here. I change it to just solid blue and it has a completely different look. You can easily insert your subjects, so for example, shut off my sample subjects, then bring in a team that you photographed. So this team I photographed all at once. I've already extracted them. I can drag and drop them into the template and position them where I think works. It can be just as easy as that, or I can photograph them individually and customize their placement. So for example, here's a whole folder of already extracted subjects. I can drag and drop them into the template and position them where I think they fit. As I drag and drop these subjects into this template, every time I hit enter, a new one appears. And just a reminder, there's a full tutorial included with this instant download that'll fully explain all these steps and show you how to do this. And it can be just as easy as that to drop in a bunch of players, and then I can modify the background to fit their colors. There's a bunch of different layers of this dust that can be moved, transformed, scaled, or repositioned to wherever you want to. This is a high-res template that can print up to 10-foot banners with this, and it has easy cropping options for 4x6s, 5x7s, 8x10s, and all standard sizes. And you can even customize the background color. So for example, dark, I could go with a red, I could go with this blue. Just about anything looks great with this. You can even make it look like dirt. Something just like that, and then maybe adjust the color in the background to complement them a little bit more. You can fit small teams or really large teams with this. There's all kinds of awesome options with this instant download, and I know your team's gonna love it.